Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just have a haul video for you guys and I have another new farm collection that I can't wait to show you guys. And if you guys saw my previous haul video from Echo Park, you guys saw I bought like a few farm collections. So I don't know what's with me in the farm, but with my sister now having chickens and stuff, I just feel like all of these collections are so fitting for her and I just want to make all the things for like her and just like my nephew, maybe like photos of him helping with the chickens, or I don't know. It's just in my head, it's just really cute. So I want to share with you guys what I got, which I'm going to share with you guys Scrapbook.com first because this is a little bit shorter, whereas in this one, I will go into detail with the collections that I bought and do a flip through for you guys. So from Scrapbook.com, I got some sequins because these yellow sequins I use a ton of, and I had run out. So I wanted to get some of these before I start making my sequin mixes. So I do use these ones and I will have these linked down below. I just think they're so perfect for my Disney mixes. So I do like these a lot. This is called the Sunshine sequins. So I got 5 packs of those. Then I wanted some shades of red, so I got 2 packs of these that have like red shades in it. So you have like some solid reds, some like darker reds. There's like a violet one in there, which I don't really think that one makes sense. But oh, I got 3 packs of these actually. But yeah, and I hate opening these because they seem to go flying everywhere. But I think like these 4 would be like a perfect mix. Maybe even this one. Would be like a perfect mix together, and I usually just mix a lot of them together and just add them to my sequin mixes. So I did pick up those. And what color is that? I don't know if it tells me. Oh, color rouge. So those are those sequins. And then this was a freebie and I thought it was cute, so I just added it to my cart because I mean it was also free. But they're like 3D stickers and it says anniversary, love and happiness, together is the best place to be, today, tomorrow, always, the perfect couple. And this I just thought was cute for either like an anniversary card, a wedding card, or like a wedding album or something. So I just added them to my cart. They were free anyway. And then I also got Christmas cardstock. While I do buy the solid colored sheets that go with some collections from Echo Park when I buy them when they have them on sale, but I felt like I was starting to run a little low. So I bought this pack. It's just a bunch of Christmas colors, dark greens. There's some lighter reds and even brighter. This is like a pinky green, burgundy. This is a light green. Then you have like a grass green. There's an emerald green I see in here. Then another like olivey green, lime green. This like dark green, brown. This color I like. I usually like to use like the yellows in collections and just to break up some of the colors when I make my Christmas albums. So although this one's not yellow, it's like a goldeny mustard color. I don't even know how to explain it. There's also a dark blue in here, but these are textured. But I thought it'd be good to have in my stash because I do have some of these AC cardstocks and I saw it and I was like, okay, we're gonna get it. And then I also got the largest magic mat they have for my Big Shot Switch Plus because I've been using like the magic mat that I have for the other ones, like for my smaller machine, but I wanted the bigger one. And I ordered plates, but the plates I ordered are from Amazon because Scrapbook.com was out of stock of the plates for that machine, and my plates have warped and I did need to get new ones. So that is everything from Scrapbook.com. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, the sequins, the magic mat, and the cardstock. I'll have it linked down below, maybe even the anniversary stickers. So that will be in the description box, so check it out. And then here's what I got from a cherry on top. Now, if you guys are new to a cherry on top, I like a cherry on top because you get points. And with those points, you then get to apply it to your orders and you save money. It takes off money. So like 1,000 points is like $5. So 2,000 points is $10. 3,000 points is $15 and so on. You could save up to $20 per order. which is usually like about half of shipping or whatever. And sometimes you could still use a coupon on top of that, which is great. So I happen to love shopping on a cherry on top, and I try to do so more often now than Scrapbook.com if I could find everything on a cherry on top, but they didn't have the other stuff. So I got this from a cherry on top instead. So I got to use my points. Now, when you sign up, if it's your first time purchasing with a cherry on top, you could put in a referral ID when you're signing up. There's a space to put in a referral ID. With that referral ID, it's my like referral ID number, but with that you automatically get 1,000 points, and you would save $5 on your next purchase if you choose to apply that to your order, or you can continue building your purchase, your points. And anytime you make a purchase from a cherry on top, you get points. Sometimes there's secret points throughout the website as you're shopping on there. You just like click a button, and like as you you found points, and you get those extra points as well. So it's very cool if you guys are interested in that. But anyway, I got the Fun on the Farm collection because, again, as I was telling you guys, the farm stuff is just really cute. So here's Fun on the Farm. Let me open this up and show you guys. Now I don't know which one I need to create with for my sister. I'm gonna have, oh, I just taped one of the papers, so let's not do that. But the other ones from the Echo Park were like a different farm collection, so this is still different. I feel like I need to relabel my bins though to say Kitchen Vintage Farm, because all my kitchen stuff has been going with my farm stuff. Anyway, so here is Fun on the Farm. Started off with a floral, some plaids. Oh, I love how they do the 3x4 cut aparts, and then some little ones that you could use as tuck spots in albums and whatnot. This is like a green grass one, a barn. Did I get this one? A moo paper. I don't know, it looks new. Wait a second, that paper looks familiar. Is this one I just got from from Echo Park? Now I can't be sure. These turkeys look familiar too, the roosters. I don't know, let me know, guys. Is this one I just got from Echo Park? I didn't know they would have it. Like, I ordered this first before I ordered Echo Park because I randomly found a gift card that had all of its money on it in my wallet as I was going through my wallet, seeing like what I don't need anymore. And I checked the gift card before throwing it out just to make sure that it was all cleared and there was nothing on it. And there was 200 bucks on it, guys. So I was like, okay, we're gonna go shopping. And I just decided to place these 2 orders online. Anyway, I got the ephemera for Fun on the Farm, and here's what that looks like on the back. So just some like tags and things, or like elements that I could add. They're not really like images, they're more so tags. Is this the frames and tags ephemera? I don't know, it just says die cut cardstock pieces, but it looks like more like the frames and tags that they would normally have. I ordered an extra set of, or sheet of cut aparts, because I always like my cut aparts, but I think, yeah, I got it for the cut aparts, not for this. But this is cute too, the little chicks with the flowers, but I definitely got it for the cut aparts. I also got this one. So I got 2 of these because I like the red kind of like gingham checks pattern or whatever. And this is the floral back, but I just like the red. Then I got 2 of these. This is the 3x4 cut aparts. And I just think it's cute with the green grass on the back, but I got it for the cut aparts. I did, oh, so I think this is the one I was gonna create for my sister, but I think this one is it, because I remember asking her when I was gonna buy this, I was like, do you like this collection? Is it too colorful for you? And she said, no, it's good. So that's why I ended up getting it for sure. So then I also got the solids, the coordinating solids that go with it, because I wanted to create something for her. Then here is the 12x12 collection kit. So I'm gonna show you guys that before I show you guys the spooky night. And I think I got the spooky night because I think maybe it was on sale. I want to say it was on sale. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know. Maybe I'm going crazy. Or maybe, I don't know. I was looking for the Bewitched collection. I can't seem to find it. So if any of you guys have seen the Bewitched collection by, I think it's Echo Park, I've been looking for it. I only have like a few sheets and don't know what to make with it, but I think it's so cute, so I wanted to get more of the papers. Anyway, so here's the larger floral that you guys saw in the 6x6 pad, and I'm going to have the links to these down below as well as my referral ID, so you guys could get 1,000 points or $5 off your next purchase if you use my referral ID number. So this is like a plaid sunflowery kind of background. I mean, it's not sunflowers, but like yellow, and it says sunflower patch on the back. Then 3x4 cut aparts, which you guys just saw, with the green grass background. The barn with the moo with the cow print on the back. The horsey, the cow, the barn, the tractor. I really do think this is one that I just got from Echo Park. The clouds. I don't know. None of these cut aparts are sticking out to me, but like this red right here, that's sticking out to me. Did I get this? No, I don't know. But this is some larger cut aparts. You have some 4x6 cut aparts here, then some tags and some like elements that you could add to things. And the back is this pattern that I would probably never use with this album. There's a striped pattern next with a wood grain pattern, which is probably what I would go for to tone down some of the colors. The tractor with some kind of brown leafy pattern on the back. Then you have the 4x6 cut aparts also. Okay, I feel like maybe I do have this one because I remember saying Rise and Shine, maybe? I don't know. But more 4x6 cut aparts and a blue background. I mean, so you could definitely tone down this collection because you do have like some solid kind of colors. You guys saw that one. The turkey or the rooster with the red polka dot background. The 4x4 cut aparts you guys saw with this background. Then this floral sheet with this blue check gingham pattern on the back. And then here is the sticker sheet. Okay, I seriously think like this is one of the ones that I might have gotten from the Echo Park sale. We'll see. I don't know. I have to check my stash after. But anyway, here is the Spooky Nights. Some of you guys may seen this collection already. I was looking through my stash. It doesn't look like I had it in my stash. So I picked it up. And maybe I didn't have it in my stash because maybe I already used it. I can't remember, to be honest, so I don't know. But it wasn't in my stash as of me looking in my stash recently. So here's the Spooky Nights. Got some haunted houses with like a eek on the back. Orange, white, and black polka dots with these like dark gray, like sky, clouds, and moon. This plaid, I love this one. So pretty. With skeletons on the back. This one with the ghosts. This is by Simple Stories with stars on the back. The jack-o'-lanterns with this chevron pattern on the back. The spider web. I feel like this is the one sheet that I may have in my stash. Spider web with this orange background with white polka dots. The green background with black stars. With the eeks and the boos on the back. I've definitely seen this collection before, and I don't know why I didn't see it in my stash. Here are some of the tags and the back. And I do have another order coming from a Cherry on Top. I did a pre-order for a bunch of collections that will be coming out, just to make sure I could get my hands on them. And that gives me some time to craft with some of these things to use them up and make space for the other ones, because I think I may have gotten another Halloween one, and I know I got some Christmas, so that'll be fun. But this is more cut aparts, like journal cards and things like that. You could make checklists and things. And then this one is like a light blue background with cats, a book of spells, potions and shoes and whatnot. Yes, Kobe, hi. Sorry, my dog's jumping on my leg. He's like, pick me up. 3x4 cut aparts here, and the back is the stripe pattern. Then you have some 4x4 cut aparts, 2x2s, and more 4x4s down here. And the back side is this with orange polka dots on a black background. And then you have 4x6 cut aparts, and on the back you have this light blue pattern with candy corn. I'm trying to pet my dog at the same time. And then here is the other one, or the sticker sheet, and this is what it looks like. So I think it's just a really cute collection. I will add it to my Halloween stash, add the farm one to my farm stash that I may or may not possibly already have. And that is everything. So I will link everything from a cherry on top as well that I purchased. And again, the referral ID is linked down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. And let's get crafting this weekend. Hope you guys have a great crafty weekend. And I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Bye.